M1R, or make one right, is one of several ways to increase one stitch in your knitting, and it looks like this. The second stitch here from the tip of the needle was made with an M1R, and this is how we do it. We want to pick up the horizontal strand in between the two stitches on either needles and lay it on top of the left needle like so. And now you have a strand laying here in the front, and then we simply knit that front strand. And that's one stitch made. Let's do it a couple more times. So we need to find that horizontal strand. Right now, the knitting is pretty even and kind of together. So we'll just open up the work a little bit. Don't pull too aggressively. Pull it just enough so you can see this horizontal line here. And then you can either use your right needle or your left needle, whatever is easier for you. And notice how this time I'm using my left needle and I'm swooping it from the back. So you can remember the M1R. R stands for right, and for this technique, you go at it from the rear. R for rear, R for right, and rear means back, right? So that's how you do it. Or if it's easier to use your right needle to pick it up, that's fine too, and you just lay it on like that. Maybe you can just hold it up like this, and you can still do that swooping motion, sweeping it into it from the back, from the rear. And then we're going to knit that strand that we just picked up. And that's another M1R. Let's do one more. So I'm pulling it apart a little bit. I'll use my right needle to pick it up so my left can swoop from the back. And then I'm going to knit that strand in the front. So that is the M1R, or make one right.